Hello and thanks for watching. Today we're going to make a sugar content comparison. So we've been keeping track of our water and sugar intake, and down here at the bottom of my Google form results is a list of the 10 products that I included in my survey. And up here at the top you'll find the little green cross. That means open in the spreadsheet. So we're going to click right there and it's going to open up our spreadsheet of results. In the spreadsheet of results, I have my water results up at the top, and I have my sugar results down here. First, we're going to do a little bit of cleanup work. That means I need to take out the G in there, and take out the G in there. And right here, I switched around the food and the sugar content. So let's reverse those. That was bananas. Okay. Now, we're going to make a quick graph of those, and then we're going to make a more complicated graph. So we come up here to the Insert Chart button, or we go to the Insert menu and insert a chart from there. And the great thing about Google Sheets is that it does a lot of the work for you. It grabs a title over here, and it puts labels at the bottom of your graph and the top of your graph. If you have to go back and customize anything, then you can come over here to the Customize button, and you can customize things like the chart style. You can add a background color, but don't get too crazy, and change the fonts and so on and so forth. So customize it a little bit, but don't get out of hand. That'll be chart number 1. Now, chart number 2 is going to be a bit more complicated. So I'm just going to push this off to the side, and now we're going to make a second graph. The second graph is a little more complicated. We want to look at the proportion of calories that come from sugar. So here's how we're going to set it up. I got my 10 food items here still, and I'm going to look at the total calories, and then I'm going to look at the calories from sugar and the calories not from sugar. And let's go back to our label for our ketchup, and zooming in here we see calories 20, sugars 4 grams. Those are two different units, so we have to do a little conversion here. 20 total calories and the calories from sugar. Well, every gram of sugar provides your body 4 calories. So this is going to be 4 times 4, or 16 calories. If you like entering formulas like I do, formulas, we take the number in this box by clicking on it. Shift 8 is the multiplication sign, and 4. So the number of calories times the number of grams times 4 is the number of calories from sugar. And just because I love using formulas again, I'm going to make the spreadsheet do the subtraction. I'm taking that cell minus that cell. And so we have 16 calories from sugar and 4 calories not from sugar. I want to compare those two things in proportion. The best way to do that is to go to the More button over here, insert a chart again, and this time it gets that I want a pie chart, which is great. 80% of the calories are from sugar in your serving of ketchup. 20% of the calories are not from sugar. All right, I'm going to do the same thing with another food, and I'm also going to customize this pie chart and make it just a little more visually appealing. For example, I might want my text to be a little bit larger. When I make this whole thing smaller to fit on the page, I might need to rearrange the text to make sure it fits. So I'm going to come over here and make some changes to on the customization, and I want it all to be as clear as possible. So I'm going to customize it and make it the best version of this chart that I can. Titles are important, so do your very best and put in the most appropriate, complete, accurate titles. When it's done, I'll be looking for 1 bar graph of all 10 items and 2 pie charts. Try to pick something that's more healthy, like a banana, and something that's less healthy, or you're unsure whether it's healthy, like a yogurt granola bar. Thanks for watching.